Ito, bagong pakulo. Star Wars-themed funeral. This was a tribute for a woman named Brenda Morris. At syempre, nanguna na po dyan si Darth Vader at sa likod niya ay mga stormtroopers. So apparently, in 2010, sumali na si Brenda sa X Factor pero she got kicked out by Simon Cowell. Brenda here was a former chemistry lecturer at pumanaw siya at the age of 78. She wasn't really into the traditional funeral procession kaya naisipan niya na ganito na lang. Sabi ni Mark Thomas, isa sa mga funeral directors sa Thomas Brothers and yung gumampan as Darth Vader who was also a family friend ni Brenda, wish talaga niya ito bago siya namatay. Sikat ito si Ma'am Brenda sa local community nila, no? Kaya 100 people din yung nag-show up sa tribute niya. She was quite the entertainer in Aswood Bank, isang village sa England. Palagi siya kumakanta sa lugar nila. Rest in peace, Brenda Morris, and may the force be with you.